Alexis here with the Park Group. I am so excited because today we are with John with David Weekly and we are in Coral Ridge and Seabrook. So John, tell us where we're at today.
We are at 15 Black Coral Drive, which is our quick move-in, ready-now home.
Awesome.
It's 3,896 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and it's pool ready.
Okay, wonderful. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. This home is so beautiful.
And as you can see, you have a really nice open foyer.
Wow. Now, John, this is one of your last few homes you have in here, or how many homes do you have left?
We have 2 quick move-ins that are ready now, and 3 quick move-ins that are going to start in the next 60 days.
Okay.
And then we're down to 15 home sites left to
Wow.
build. So we're almost done.
Awesome.
If you've been thinking about Coral Ridge, you may have been thinking too long.
Well, wow, as soon as you walk in, as you can see, this home is spectacular. Carling is walking us through right now the guest bedrooms. I'm so excited to see these and show you guys.
These nice, spacious, his and hers bedrooms, Jack and Jill bathroom situations. So you have a really nice private space for your guests and or the secondary residents of the home. Very elegant finishes throughout the whole home. Our designers knocked it out of the park with a very timeless, tasteful upgrades.
Absolutely. I love all the finishes. I love the crown molding that you can see. There's so many high-end finishes in this house. And I love these 2 bedrooms that are separate from the rest of the house as well.
And as you can see, you have elevated feature levels in the home with all the wood slatted shelving and the nice wood molding throughout the whole home. And you may notice as we continue through the home that there is no carpet in this home. It's all solid surface.
That's great.
Which, for when you have that pool party, is going to come in very handy.
Wow.
Isn't this a spectacular entrance into the home?
It really is. Love those beams and the high ceilings.
Nice quiet office.
Oh, great. Love the tray ceiling in this space. Awesome.
Another touch of elegance. And a great flex space that could be repurposed many different ways. And the party just continues right into the main family space.
Wow.
Big open vaulted ceiling with beautiful wood beams. And wait till you see this kitchen.
It's absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything so beautiful.
Didn't the designers just do a spectacular job?
Oh my gosh, they truly did. That backsplash, love the open shelving, the obviously high-end cabinets with the finished glass cabinets. It's beautiful.
So this gourmet kitchen option really does have all the features that you could want to prepare a beautiful meal for your friends and family. And the storage does continue back behind into the butler's pantry, so you've got to check that out, Carling.
I love the pot filler right above the gas stove. That's amazing. And the microwave that's right into the cabinets. It's perfect. Butler's pantry.
So you're ready to move
storage.
in?
Yes, I am. I wish I had all this in mind.
I know, right? Well, we still have a couple opportunities if you want to build one.
Now, one thing I do want to say about Coral Ridge is it is so close to the new Seabrook Park, so they'd have access to that. There's also a pop-up park right in the actual neighborhood, so very close. We're also super close to the intercoastal in this neighborhood, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Nice dining space with the tray ceiling again, of course with the beautiful lighting fixtures that they've chosen in this home.
So we talked about being pool ready. This is a great opportunity to show just what that might look like. In this particular home, you have the ample space ready to go for your pool. You can have your outdoor grill installed and have a great serving space and entertainment space al fresco. And then take the party back inside into your beautiful included pool cabana.
Wow. Love these pavers that are finished. I love that the ceiling is carried through to the patio area. It's very peaceful and quiet back here. Preservation.
I'm glad you noticed.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that a wonderful preserve behind you?
Sure is.
To be able to enjoy for years to come.
Now, I know you mentioned this is a pool-ready house with a pool cabana room. What does that mean? Can you explain to us? I know Carling's about to walk us through, but I had never heard of that before this.
Perfect timing, like you've done this. As you can see, you can take the pool party back inside, have a great buffet set up, a nice game space. If it gets a little rainy, maybe this is a great opportunity to bring it inside and relax for a little bit, watch the game.
Yeah.
play some games, play pool, whatever it is you'd like to do. There's a lot of opportunities here. Great buffet space, maybe a little margarita bar when you're enjoying the sunshine.
Sounds right up my alley.
And then you do also have that beautiful pool bath that is ready for your guests to be able to utilize instead of the pool.
Wonderful. I just love how this house flows. Now we're back to the kitchen area. Into this stunning living room. And just take a look at those beams.
Wait for you to see that
let's
beautiful private space. And just a few steps away from your pool.
Yeah. Okay, and now we are walking to the owner's retreat.
With a beautiful view of the backyard again.
Tree ceilings.
Nice, elegant, tasteful finishes.
This is a very large room too.
Yes. Lots of room for sitting area. If you have a little writing desk in here, great opportunity to get some peace and quiet. And then that spa-inspired bathroom.
It truly is spa-inspired. It's one of the most stunning bathrooms I've ever seen. You have to come see it in person.
Very elevated features.
And John was telling us early that really the features they've chosen for this house can be finished with so many different decoration options. You go modern with it, coastal, country. I mean, there's so many options with these finishes.
Very versatile and neutral, but very tasteful.
I cannot wait for Carling to show you guys that closet.
Yes, you were remarking on that earlier. It's a must-have, right?
It is a must-have. The his and hers. No one has to be near each other as they're brushing their teeth, hitting elbows.
Yeah, a lot of nice space to be able to prep in the morning without stepping over one another.
And look at that closet.
Amazing, right? That is a shopping spree waiting to happen.
Yes, absolutely. Those drawers look like they need to be filled with some jewelry.
Right? And lots of shoes.
Yes.
All right, now we get to go see the guest retreat. Another private space for you to be able to have people over and not even know that they're here.
Yeah, and I love how separate it is from everything.
So if you notice, many of our rooms have buffers between the shared walls by other spaces just to help add privacy.
That's great.
Removes that noise pollution possibility.
Yes. I love all the fun tile work you guys did. Sorry, Carly, I did not
very
mean for you to
tasteful but yet fun.
Yeah.
Add some whimsy and some charm without creating a design conflict.
Good size.
Again, nice walk-in closets in all the rooms. Ensuite bath. Good for all ages. And the last and most fun room in the home is going to be your family foyer.
So this, well, I guess we're calling it a foyer, but this is my second favorite outside of the closet. This is like the prettiest laundry room I've ever seen. There is so much storage, so much space. There is so many things to do in here.
This is the room you use every day. So that drop zone space offers ample storage for everyone in the home to have a place for all their things.
I see there's a bunch of doors. So tell us about the doors.
Yes. So currently we're looking down the end of the foyer, which is going to go to a breezeway to your third car single bay garage.
Wow.
And then the other door that you see just adjacent is going to be your 2-car garage.
Great.
So you do have a really nice courtyard style entrance into your garages, which gives you more parking space. And then we have a coat closet. And then of course this larger closet, which is great for all that overflow storage from maybe the Costco or Sam's Club, BJ's. And then of course this is a great opportunity for your family to be able to do those crafts and have things kind of set out of the way. It's a great dog grooming area or even a dog kennel area for them to get that safe and secure space during those storms.
I know, I love the open shelving on the bottom. That's awesome.
So no lack of storage in this home.
Wow. It really does feel so peaceful and open and airy in here.
It's very inviting,
oh my goodness,
but yet very tasteful.
Wow. All right, John. Well, this house was absolutely beautiful. I so appreciate you taking us here. So please remind us where we're at again and just any good tips you want to say for us.
Absolutely, yeah. We're here in the heart of Coral Ridge in our final opportunities in the community. Like I said, if you've been thinking about Coral Ridge, you may have been thinking too long because we're running out of options. But this home is beautiful. We've done a really great job of putting together a very tasteful home. And we have some amazing promotions on it. So I would recommend you come and look at it for yourself because this video doesn't do it justice.
Agreed. This place is so much better than what you're seeing on your screens right now. You do not want to miss out. You definitely want to come and see John and just tour this beautiful home. It's definitely not going to last long. So if you're ready to be a Nocatee resident, specifically here in Coral Ridge, you definitely want to come talk to John with David Weekly. But
absolutely.
We hope you're having a great day. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye. See you soon.